Hi guys, good morning. Ayan po guys, welcome back to my channel. Ang pag-uusapan po natin guys kung paano tayo bibili ng best rating trainer lang respirator fitness equipment. So ito po yung page guys, home page. By the way, ito po ay my website store or my store. Ito po yung training pen shop. Pwede kayo bibili kahit anong mga products dito sa loob ng training pen shop guys. So ang pag-uusapan po natin tungkol po dito, best breathing trainer lang respirator fitness equipment. Kung kayo ay mahilig fitness, diyan mag-exercise sa labas, kindly visit my store kasi mostly talaga dito ay na mga exercise at mga equipment kasi guys merong mga dito guys, may mga category. So, by the way, yung pag-uusapan natin, ito po guys, yung best breathing trainer lang respirator fitness equipment. So, pag-uusapan natin yan. So, by the way, sa nagkakahalaga lang po, US dollar. Ito ay Euro 12.97 Euro, pero US dollar. So, nagkakahalaga lang po ng guys, the 13.95 US dollar. So, ito po, yan, pag-usapan natin. So, ito po yan guys, tingnan po ninyo. Our lung exerciser is designed to be compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry and use anywhere you go. Where you're at home, at the office, or traveling, you can conveniently continue your respiratory muscle training. So po ito, iba't ibang mga different features. Yan, makikita ninyo guys, ito po yung itsura niya. So, ayan, pili lang kayo, ito, white o kaya black. Black po, yan po guys. Pili kayo dyan. So, meron pong ito babasahin lang po ninyo. May mga reviews na po guys. 5 star na, 20 reviews. Ito, yun po, kung bibili kayo, try this one. By the way, isusulat ko sa loob ng description yung link na ito at saka yung yung store link ko, training pin shop. Ayan guys. At by the way, kung nagugustuhan ninyo, ayan, i-ano lang po ninyo kung ilan ang gusto ninyo, try it now. So, i-add to cart lang po ninyo guys. Pili kayo add to cart. I-add to cart natin yan guys. So, mayroon pa pong upsell dyan. Baka gustong interesado kayo. I-ano lang po ninyo, i-add kung gusto ninyo. At may mga discount percent off po yan guys. So, ayan, click lang po ninyo proceed to check out. I-check out ninyo. At dito guys, isusulat po ninyo yung, kung ano talaga yung ninyo. Kindly fill up this form, yung first name, last name, country, yan po guys, follow the instruction, tapos, that is a free shipping guys, tingnan mo, free shipping, tapos, click lang po ninyo kung anong gusto niyo, PayPal o kaya credit card. So, by the way, kung marami kayong mga isa-shopping, meron kayong free products, so spend only it is 87 US dollar more to get $10 US dollar discount. So, meron pa kayo free products kung nagkakalaga kayo, mag-spend kayo dito sa loob ng training pin shop. Nagkakalaga po na 187 US dollar. So, meron kayong free na ganito na natural stone bed bracelet for women and men. Pagkatapos yan guys, click ninyo yan. Kaya PayPal or credit card and then complete order. So, ano lang po ninyo itong huwag ninyong kakalimutan itong form na yan. Please fill up this form. Optional lang po yung telepon, yung address lang po. Parang yung address ninyo, doon po i-send yung products kung bibili kayo. Ito, best breathing trainer lang, respirator, fitness equipment. So that it is all about to my video guys. Try po ninyo itong mga products dito sa loob ng Training Pin Shop. Madali lang po yan guys. Click lang po. For example, Bisdells. Click lang po ninyo yan. At mayroon na mga products dyan, marami, all products, so mayroong products po na 151 products po yan guys, so marami, load more, marami, at meron pa po guys, kindly rate this one, baka interesado kayo, at ito po ay legit po ito guys, hindi kayo may scam ito, basta guys, ano lang po ninyo, try it now, kahit one item lang po para malalaman ninyo kung legit ba ito. So that it is all about to my video guys, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to click subscribe on my YouTube channel kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, at pag-hit lang po yung bell icon para maka-notify kayo sa mga bago kong mga video na ina-upload. So thank you for watching, and bye for now.